What are we going to watch?
Movie. Super Mario Galaxy.
It's another sweet day and today, family movie time tayo at Opus Family Cinema. Located in Opus Mall in Bridgetown, Pasig. Very accessible if you're from Quezon City or Pasig or from the nearby areas. The Opus Family Cinema is the first and only one of its kind here in the Philippines. As it boasts of its sofa bed that is first come first serve, pwede itaas ang paa habang nanonood ng movie. What are we going to watch?
Movie.
What movie?
Super Mario Galaxy.
We're the only ones here in the cinema. Dahil kami lang halos ang tao sa loob ng cinema, minabuti naming kunin ang dalawang sofa bed sa second row. Again, take note, this is first come first served. So imagine I have a 2-month-old baby and naibababa ko siya dun sa sofa. Di naman halatang pinag-isipan namin to ng mabuti, no? Kasi pati blanket dala namin. Breastfeeding friendly pa siya. After the movie, nagstay pa kami sandali kasi nagja-jump pa yung anak namin. Pwede rin. Ginaw. May tunog. Ah, kasi motorcycle talaga siya sa movie. Ito eh. What do you think about Super Mario?
Very good. It's super good.
Wait,
It's not far as a mountain. It's not far as an airplane. It's far from the black hole.
what?
Far, more far than the black hole.
You mean the galaxy in
Farther
Super
than-
Mario?
Yes.
It's not too far?
Farther than the black hole.
Ikaw, anong review mo?
Sa'yo naman, yung upuan.
Yung
Sana
higit.
lang merong massage.
Oo nga. Tsaka ang gusto ko dito, nakapagpasok tayo ng pagkain. Hindi katulad dun sa mga ibang cinema na kahit man lang chichirya, hindi pwedeng papasukin. Isa lang downside talaga is, pati ba naman yung 0-year-old may bayad? 600 din yan. Kung ako lang ang masusunod, dito tambay na lang kami sa breastfeeding area. Kaso lang, ayaw kaming iwan ni Daddy. Thank you, Daddy!
Superman?
So, 600 ako, 600 si Daddy, 600 si 5-year-old, and 600 si baby. It's really too much. Hindi ko sure kung kailan na yung susunod. Or kung babalik pa kami. Thank you, Lord.